And moving on now, allegations of assault on Kannadigas by security guards from Bihar, Odisha and Nepal at Kengeri apartment in Bengaluru has sparked tensions in the area. A major incident alleged of violence emerged from the Sunworth Provident apartment, which is in Kengeri in Bengaluru, where residents have accused a group of non-Kannada speaking security guards of assaulting them. According to the residents, over 30 to 40 security guards, reportedly from Bihar, Odisha and Nepal, attacked a few Kannada-speaking residents in the apartment complex late last night at around 8:30. The trigger appears to have been a disagreement over access protocol for a courier delivery earlier in the day. My colleague Vajula joining us with more details. Vaji, about 30 to 40 guards were involved in an assault on residents. That's the news coming in. What more do we know?
Well, absolutely. That was the claim that was said by the victim, who's allegedly said that he was beaten up by 30 to 40 guards just because there was a parcel that had come, and the person who delivered the parcel is believed to have not registered his name. I have the people who were from the security agencies who were present there. The victim has allegedly gone inside to file a complaint. He's also coming out. I have somebody from the security guard team against whom the complaint has been filed. Sir, there is a complaint against you that your security team assaulted one of the victims. 30 to 40 people came there and assaulted them. What do you have to say for that?
सर, पहले मेरा नाम पुनीत गौड़ा है. पुनीत गौड़ा टेको सिक्योरिटी से बात कर रहा हूँ. सर, 30 to 40 आदमी कैसे मार सकता है सर? वो नहीं हो सकता ऐसा मारने के लिए. ऐसा नहीं होता है मारने के लिए.
क्या हुआ
सर? उधर पहले वो एक इंसिडेंट हुआ, सुबह डिलीवरी बॉय का इंसिडेंट है. उधर झगड़ा हुआ है. ये लोग उसको हमारा सिक्योरिटी इंचार्ज के लिए मारने के लिए आया था. वो टाइम में हमारा सिक्योरिटी इंचार्ज का फ़ोन खींच के गया है. वो फ़ोन भी हैंड ओवर नहीं दिया वो टाइम में. इसके लिए शाम को आने का टाइम में हमारा लड़का लोग पूछा है फ़ोन देने के लिए. वो वही टाइम में है फ़ोन देने के लिए मना किया है. वो टाइम में थोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ है सर. झगड़ा मतलब जस्ट पुशिंग का काम हुआ बस.
So he claims that only pushing happened. I also have the victim with me over here. Sir, explain to us what happened that day.
Sir, exactly yesterday evening we are here at 8:30 p.m. after picking my sister and my wife and my son has came to the base parking lot to pick us. Before entering the premises, nearly 50 to 60 security guards has attacked with lathis and all those things, sir. I got all the photos, CCTV images there. In the lift lobby, there is a CCTV image. They banged us like anything. I'll show you how they banged us. And we went for a Rajarajeshwari Medical Hospital for the medical test, and we have done the testing also. This is how they hit, sir. This is how they hit. They banged it in lathi here. And my son has hit it by here. Tokyo Security. Tyco Security, sir. Tyco Security. See, sir. See.
This is attempt to murder?
See, sir, how they hit my son. They have put in the road and they
Okay.
They were,
Now they are showing these marks.
what is it, sir? Who did, sir?
सर एक ही मिनट है सर. वो टाइम में झगड़ा हुआ, वो बातचीत होने का टाइम में थोड़ा पुशिंग हुआ है मेरा तरफ से. मैं देखा है. मैं किसी को भी मारने के लिए हम लोग नहीं गया है सर.
These people, the security team is claiming that they did not hit anybody, but you saw the marks in the body of the man.
How does it become Kannadigas versus non-Kannadiga? This was a scuffle that unfolded, but how does it become a Kannadiga versus a non-Kannadiga issue?
शू में मारा है सर. शू में
How they done,
चला
sir?
के
He
ऐसे
said
क्या है?
around 10 people is upset.
Absolutely. What we can understand from so far right now is that it's an issue between the tenants, the apartments, and Kannadiga, and the security guards. The reason why the angle of Kannadigas and non-Kannadigas have come up because the victims claim that close to 20 to 30 people who came to beat him up at the lobby were people from Bihar, Nepal, and from other states. There were security guards who were speaking in Hindi, and that is the reason why it is alleged that they were hitting them, because they were Kannadigas.
Actually, I am basically from Ramnagar. I am the native since we were born and brought up from Ramnagar, sir.
You calm down. You calm down. I want to. Sir, whatever justice you give us a justice. I am not telling whether they are wrong or I am wrong. What may be it is an argument. what maybe is done. But our Indian law, nobody has a rights to manhandle. Okay, they're telling no, they stopped us to go to the flat. Stopping is different, attacking is different. There is a difference between the attack and stop. Okay, I am the eyewitness. I have all the witness. When that lady first came, I was not there when the incident happened. I went office 8 o'clock. I came 8:45 something. So what is my issue? What is my mistake? Why they attacked me? This fellow and one more, Mr. Gatti, Chandra Gatti. He came up like me. I fell down and he touched this part. He pushed me. There is a video here. So please give me a justice. Whatever they maybe say, but they're doing a wrong thing. How they do? Let them do. 1 minute, hold on.
Okay.
1 minute.
Footage, sir. Let them pull out the
One minute,
CCTV
one
footage.
minute.
What has the police said so far?
So far, the police is ready to take the complaint. Yesterday, last night, after our medical test, we came for police station at 2:30 a.m. and they have not taken the complaint. Now, after our Rakshana Vedika team has come, the local people has come. They are ready to take the complaint now. Now, we are going to give a complaint. We need justice, sir. We are locals.
minute.
We are Kannadigas.
One minute, hold on.
So, Shweta, what we understood so far is.
Take this. 1 minute, sir. I want to complete. This is all Raja Rajeshwari medical reports which the surgeons has written for CT scan, for X-ray, everything. These people are telling nothing is happened. He is smiling. See, that is not the correct way. He's changed his face. He is smiling. He is not helping. He is doing drama here. We are assaulted, right? I have a pen.
How can
Let
they
me
beat my
examine
wife
the
and children, sir?
surgeon.